Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Bardianto. In this video, I will presentation my assignment 11 about is Homo sapiens, the self-destructive nature of human culture. Ignorance is a learned inability to learn. That is a normal and malfunctioning learning process that occur when aesthetic formed by linguistic biases and social norms. A through neurotic paradox to build positive feedback system that can make behavior irrelevant and bring separate action to maladaptive access. I think if it is stupid, it's where people love someone who loves him but who love him ignores and there is no response at all and still survive there. Already keno ignored, already keno is banished, still hope to his loved and one and still survive to hurt himself. If stupidity itself before I do not know and do not know the concept of stupidity. Often we think who we are, often we think we are why when we get the question we went to answer but and you're looking for answer where we didn't know yet we tend to flatter ourselves by being accurate when it suits use and sitting with the moment places use. So even though we are smart but answering this question we are not very smart to know what the answer is but we are by use and what are we doing. What is ignorance? The answer is one is to consider the circumstance Barbara Tuchman in the March of Folly deemed necessary for an act to qualify as a folly. Number one, there must be sufficient and relevant information available to the preparator who has extensive knowledge of what the RC profit. Number two, action must be maladaptive for the preparator, factoring the analysis of ignorance in the best interest, with stupidity is the reaching of the worst interest. Number three, there shall be other possibility so the available. Another approach is to answer that ignorance is the learned inability to learn. That is the normal and malfunctioning learning process that occur when a scheme is formed by linguistic and social biases that adds neurotic paradox to form positive feedback system that can make behavior irrelevant and detected for maladaptive access. In an epistemological context, ignorance is the failure to collect and use information efficiently, and therefore the initiation of unauthorized self-deception that its meant stupidity as failure. Traditionally, self-fraud has been considered only a stem of the use or misuse of information present in the cognitive system. That is that's it. That is that a person has to know something to deceive himself about it, and usually the one who deceives himself is self-harming. When considering ignorance in relation to its knowledge and that processing, it is important to distinguish between the associative phenomena, agnosticism and ignorance. Agnosticism is a cognitive state when information is physically inaccessible or unavailable by individual or organization. The new term ignorance covers situation when the system has information that cannot be used. in its decision-making process. Pure ignorance usually indicate it is ignorant exists, but it's not that notice. The reason ignorance doesn't always show ignorance is big because some information can be so disruptive to the psycho social system that is the penetrate cognitive defense, so that is may sometimes be ostracized to be somewhat effective. Finally, we have to put forgot in the mic lesson maybe learn will only disappear over time usually because you don't use lost words, you don't use escape, no problem. Emotion compilate the consideration of ignorance when knowing is one of the defining criteria for the condition. If someone doesn't know what's going on, uh, he might do something maladaptive, but it's not that stupid. However, if someone make a point of finding relevant information in his environment, isn't that even number it if that's what doing to could be like. Remember that we all have different mechanism to protect use from the shameful awareness of cognition and psycho culture to help use overcome or of disturbing conditioning of inevitable deed. Relevance in most situations, ignorance promote the general characteristic of stupid decision irrelevant. When ignorance is in full glory, it the most unsuitable cognition somehow best fitted in abstract base. For the more relevant is clearly ignored. So the word of behavior tag and on the strength and chaotic quality of the wonderland. Neurotic paradox. Ignorance is a classic example of the neurotic paradox that promotes its behavior that is subject to immediate short-term strengthening, even though long-term result will be negative. A related weakness in the short-term mistake may be difficult to overcome long-term if an immediate decision make your violent behavior longer and harder to escape later. Drug addiction or pleasure will be a common example of this basic psychological principle of learning and life. Addictive ignorance in helping a person adjust to his immediate life surrounding. It is maladaptive in the long run because it inhibits innovation and constructive criticism of the social environment. ITC, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.